Life is fly when you DIY with Miriam. Don't forget to like and subscribe. These are the things I used. Let's get started. I got this fabric from fabric.com. I was looking for it locally, and when I did find it locally, it was almost $15 a yard. So I decided to check online and found it at fabric.com for about $6 and some change per yard. I ordered about 4 yards. It's really a good product. I love the fabric. It is nice and sturdy. So if you're looking for some great fabric, go check out fabric.com.
And all the excess you just get rid of. And I left my screws. See my screws there? I left my screws so I wouldn't cover them up, because the first time I covered them up by mistake. So I left the screws in there to give me a guide of how far to go with my stapling. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this. And I still left this fabric up here because I wanted to go by the actual pattern that they have on it. And then it was still intact. It was still nice and cushiony. And I'll probably later on take this vinyl off and do another cover up, because I like change. So I said I'll leave this, and then it'll make it easier for me to make my pattern instead of taking it off and then having to do a pattern from scratch. So I didn't want to do that. I'm busy. I do a lot of things, so I wanted to do it as easy as possible. And to show you that you can do it with the cover, you can cover it up instead. And it was intact, so I didn't need to really take it all off. So I'm just gonna start stapling, and I staple in the middle. And it's good to put force, because if you put force, it usually staples in pretty, tight. So, because I have corners on this, I have to curve my, I have, that round. So what I did was I hold that and pull that. And what I'll do is, see, it's got a square here, and I want to make a curve. So to make a curve, I have to do a crease. See that? I have to do a crease, because if I don't, I won't be able to curve that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a curve so that, and it won't be too visible on the other side, okay? But you gotta make sure that it is creased good. So this is what I'm gonna do. And vinyl is like kind of difficult to deal with, but I really wanted it vinyl, so because I could wipe them off or whatever. And you just take your time, give it a crease. Okay, that gave me that curve. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put staple close up here in that crease, just to hold it for the moment. Okay, so I got my crease there, and I'll show you when I'm about done. Making sure my holes are where they're supposed to be, so I can put it back on the chair. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. All the in place. I'll get back with you.
I use this paint from Walmart. I'm really happy about how it turned out. Really gorgeous. I'm so excited. Stay tuned for part 2 as I finish the table. I'm loving it.
I really like them. Different. I have some more things to do. So keep watching. Part 2 is coming with the table.